Welcome to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews, latest car news, and everything you need to know about the hottest rides on the road. Before we dive into today's review, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our detailed breakdowns of the world's most exciting vehicles. Stay tuned until the end for every detail because this review will give you a full look at why the 2026 Ford Shelby F-150 pickup is a true powerhouse on wheels. The 2026 Ford Shelby F-150 pickup takes the legendary Ford toughness and infuses it with Shelby performance DNA. Under the hood, it boasts a muscular V8 engine with impressive displacement, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower and torque that give it incredible towing and hauling capabilities along with exhilarating acceleration. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the gear shifts are smooth and responsive, while its all-wheel drive system ensures superb traction in all road and weather conditions. Inside, the Shelby F-150 combines rugged utility with luxury touches. It offers a spacious seating capacity for passengers, premium materials like leather upholstery, and comfort-focused features such as heated and cooled seats. The design is complemented by advanced infotainment with a high-resolution display, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system to keep every drive entertaining and connected. The exterior makes an instant statement with its bold body style, muscular stance, distinctive Shelby grille, and aerodynamic lines. Precise dimensions in length, width, and height, along with a stable wheelbase, give it both commanding presence and functional practicality. Performance is enhanced by an upgraded suspension with sport-tuned shocks and precise steering for a confident, controlled ride, while large disc brakes ensure strong stopping power. Safety is top priority, with multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and driver assist features offering peace of mind on every journey. Added conveniences include cruise control, power windows and locks, and an available sunroof for an open-air feel. Special edition packages and chrome accents bring unique styling options that make this pickup truly stand out. The 2026 Ford Shelby F-150 is more than a truck, it's a statement of power, capability, and style. It blends everyday practicality with track-inspired performance, making it one of the most thrilling pickups on the market today. Stay tuned for the full visual walk-around and performance highlights in this video. And remember, you're watching Auto Drive, so hit that subscribe button now and at the end so you don't miss our next big review.